Today I'm going to show you how to make a 16-page mini booklet from just one sheet of paper. I have another video where I show a different folding technique, and I link that up here if you'd like to try it as well. But today we're making these tiny booklets that you can use in lots of different ways. Here are some ideas. You could use them as a mini self-care journal with one small check-in per page, a daily winter journal, a feelings log or emotional check-in journal, a gratitude booklet. You could write down one small thing per page, or you could use them as a calm thoughts or reassurance booklet to return to on hard days, a place to collect comforting quotes or words, a creative play journal for doodles, marks or color, a simple habit or ritual tracker, a mini morning or evening reflection journal, or just a pocket journal to carry with you and jot things down as they come up. If you'd rather not make your own, I've also created a printable mini self-care booklet with gentle prompts which you can download and print at home. I will leave a link below in the show notes. So let's get started. All you need to make this little booklet is one sheet of A4 or letter-sized paper, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and maybe some washi tape if you'd like to make it a bit prettier. Start by folding it in half and creasing it well. It doesn't really matter which direction you fold it, because at this stage we're just creating creases. Later on you can always refold it the other way. What we want in the end is 16 small sections. Once you have your folds, you're going to make 3 cuts. First, cut from this side almost all the way to the other edge. Stop just before the end. Then turn the paper around and do the same thing on the other side. Again, cutting almost all the way through. And one more time from this side. That's all the cutting you need to do. Now that the cutting is done, you can start folding again. Fold and turn. Fold and turn again until you're done. Once everything is folded, you will see how the pages come together to form a little book. At this point, you can use a glue stick to glue the pages together so it feels more like a real booklet. You don't have to glue it, it does work without it, but I find it feels a bit sturdier and easier to use when the pages are glued. Then if you want, you can reinforce the spine or edges with a little washi tape. This makes it stronger and looks really nice too. And that's it. Your mini booklet is ready to use. Thanks very much for watching, and I talk to you soon again.